All right, now in this example, we're told that we had invested $10,000 in an investment and that it had fallen 20% in that year, and in the next year it had risen back up to 20%. And so if you follow through that, you'll wind up with 10,000 dropping to 8,000 because we lose 20% of it, and then it rising back up to 9,600 because we gain 20% of what we have then. So now, given this, that we've got the 9,600 as our final value and the $10,000 as our initial value, we're asked to figure out the percent increase or decrease, which in this case we can see as a decrease because we had more than what we ended with. And so we're going to do this. I'm going to say, all right, it's 10,000 minus 9,600. Now, as far as like which one goes first, if you always just do absolute value, you'll be set because we are not concerned about the sign as long as we notice this is a percent decrease. We'll just say that. So it's going to be the difference, 10,000 minus 9,600, over the original value being $10,000. So I'm going to put this in the calculator, and I'm going to put parentheses 10,000 minus 9,600, close the parentheses, and now divide by 10,000. Again, the original value. I hit enter and I get 0.04. Now, it said here to round to the nearest tenth of a percent. So if I look at this, this is not a percent yet. This is a decimal number. So if I want to change it to a percent, I just got to take 2 hops to the right. 1, 2. And so we get 4.0, and zeros on forever. So here, the rounding to the nearest tenth of a percent didn't really have much effect. This is just 4%. So what that means is that if we started with $10,000 and wind up with 9,600 ultimately, we had a percent decrease in the value of our investment of 4%. And that is this example.